Good morning. Thanks for joining us this Tuesday, the 21st of June. I'm Paulina Peters, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, our local market started the new trading week in the red, extending its losses from last week to close down 41 points or 0.6% to 6,433. That marks 7 straight days of losses for our market. The biggest laggard on the market was the energy sector, which declined 5.2% after oil prices dropped on Friday. Now that was on worries that interest rate hikes by major central banks could cut energy demand, while the major banks closed in positive territory, outperforming the broader share market. Looking at the ASX 200 leaderboard, the best performing stock was Pointsbet, PBH, after the betting company secured a $94 million investment from SIG Sports. That makes the US investment firm PBH's largest shareholder. Also performing well was Pinnacle Investment Management, PNI, and biotech company Imugene, IMU, both up more than 7%. Meanwhile, the worst performing stocks included lithium producer Lake Resources, LKE, uranium miner Paladin Energy, PDN, and coal miners like New Hope Corporation, NHC, and Whitehaven Coal, WHC. And the most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients yesterday included Lake Resources, BHP, and Fortescue Metals, FMG. Now, the US market was closed for the June 10th federal holiday, so let's look across the sea at how European markets performed. The FTSE index lifted 1.5% as financials and energy rebounded. The German DAX closed 1.1% higher, and the French CAC jumped 0.6%. Now, in terms of what to watch today, if you go by the SPY futures, our local market is set for a positive day. The futures are up 0.7% or 45 points. Now, economic news-wise, at 8 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, the RBA will be releasing to the media their review of the yield target. Following this, at 10 a.m, Governor Philip Lowe will speak about inflation and monetary policy at an event in Sydney. And finally, the RBA will also release the minutes from its June meeting at 11:30 a.m. Now, these are all important as they may give us a sense on how aggressive the RBA will be on raising rates, as well as what could happen in the next few months. Moving to commodities, oil prices edged lower on Monday amid concerns about slowing global economic growth. Gold extended its losses as a rise in the US dollar weighed on bullion demand, with the US market holiday expected to lead to thin trading during the day. And the spot iron ore price is trading down at US $125 a tonne. Peter Alexander owner, Premier Investments, PMV, and chartered accounting company Kelly Partners Group, KPG, are set to go ex-dividend today. And if you hold Virgin Money UK, VUK, Coronado Global Resources, CRN, or Oceania Healthcare, OCA, you will receive your dividend payment today. Now let's end with some trading ideas for your consideration. Bell Potter have maintained its buy rating on software company Altium, ALU, however with a reduced price target from $41.25 to $34. The business has undertaken various marketing initiatives this quarter, which, while slightly different to years gone by, suggests the company is again targeting subscriber over revenue growth in the second half. Bell Potter believe the company is on track to achieve its FY22 guidance and expect much better subscriber growth in the second half of financial year 2022 relative to the first half. Now, at its current share price of $25.49, this implies about 33% share price growth in a year. Finally, Trading Central has a bearish signal on Origin Energy, ORG, indicating that the stock price may fall from the close of $5.45 to the range of $3.60 to $4 in the next 98 days, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that is all for today. I'm Paulina Peters with Bell Direct. Have a lovely day and happy trading.